In today's video, we're going to be making this shakshuka, and shakshuka is actually a Middle Eastern staple that you can actually eat, and it is very delicious. So we will do from scratch how to do this all by yourself, this beautiful delicious shakshuka with a secret ingredient. In today's video, we are going to be tasting and eating something known as shakshuka, specifically making this. So this is really delicious, and as usual, everything does taste like chicken, specifically the shakshuka. It has an egg, it's an omelet. It's really great tasting, it's healthy, and it's all natural. So if you want to watch it all over and learn how to make your own homemade shakshuka, let's get started right now with cooking this delicious and tasting shakshuka.
We are going to prepare today shakshuka. For that we're going to have one diced tomato, one medium-sized diced onion, diced scallions for garnish, one big carrot, and tomato sauce. Also, we're going to do shakshuka with 4 eggs. We're going to saute onions in couple tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to add some spices: garlic powder, ground turmeric, smoked oak wood smoked pepper, optional, paprika, and za'atar, spice, very fragrant and nice. First thing we're going to do is to heat our skillet on medium. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil and going to saute onions. After we will add carrots. We need to wait a little bit for skillet to warm up, to heat up. The skillet is warmed up. Now we're going to saute onions, our chopped onions. We have to saute them until they translucent, not very cooked, not cooked to brown. We're doing it on a little medium to high heat. It will take a couple minutes for onions. Mixing it out. They're getting translucent. You can see they're almost ready. Next ingredient. We're going to put our shredded carrots. It also will take a couple minutes for carrots to soften up. Okay, we're going to mix it until carrots will soften up. You can see how colors are going to mix up. Very beautiful. Carrot gives it a little sweetness and color. Very nice. Next we're going to dice tomatoes. Beautiful. All these beautiful colors, and it smells amazing already. Next. Now we're going to add spices. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we have a tomato sauce. Tomato sauce, bring it all together. About a half a cup of tomato sauce. It's all start to get together. Smells amazing. Mix. We're going to mix it up. We have half teaspoon of ground turmeric. Around half teaspoon ground paprika, a little bit of freshly ground oak wood smoked pepper, a little bit more of garlic powder, since we put it before, and spice za'atar that has a lot of different nice fragrant spices. Around a teaspoon. Now our mixture has been on the skillet for about 9-10 minutes. We're mixing up spices. Putting all spices in, mixing up to get it fragrant. You will feel how spices will Stop. Now we're going to crack the eggs to get ready for. It will mix up, get sauteed.
It's dirty.
Okay, we making wells for our 4 eggs in the shakshuka, and we're going to drop it one by one, slowly and easily. Next one. Now we have to wait a little bit until the whites will get a little cooked up. We'll put a lid on it. Our shakshuka is ready now. You can see the whites became settled. Now we garnish with the scallions, and we can serve it. If you would like eggs a little less poached or more, it's up to you. Now we're going to garnish it on our beautiful plate with a piece of nice toast. Beautiful, gorgeous, smells good. Nice, beautiful shakshuka.
Давай, еще.
Amazing.
Еще поставь.
You like to try?
Все поставь туда.